So RAG is all about a simple concept. Okay. But
Okay.
nowadays, people are making it a big concept in AI field. But when you understand, after completing this, you will be able to understand it. Then it will be a smaller thing for you. So
Okay.
when you don't know anything, that becomes big and hard to understand. When people talk about it in a different way, that makes it more difficult to understand. Okay, so I am telling you this
Yes.
is a very much simple thing. Don't worry about. Have you heard
Sure.
of two type of things before? You might have experienced so far. Exam with memory means whatever you have studied and you are going to the exam. Okay, and
Yes.
because for the exam you need to prepare, no? You prepare, you give
Hmm.
day and night throughout the year to prepare for your final exam. A lot of efforts is made to crack the exam or to solve the questions whatever is being asked. Okay, and whatever will be
Yes.
asked in the question paper question. Okay, during the examination time a lot of pressure is there in and around. Environmental pressure, local pressure, parental pressure, teachers pressure, all
Hmm.
of those. And second option is open book exam. Which one is easy for the student? In a general terms, I'm asking.
Hmm.
Just tell me, out of these two exams, which one is easy for students? Open book exam,
Second option,
open
open book.
book. So this is nothing but a kind of open book exam. How I define you, I make you understand. I just divide
Okay.
it how it is open book exam. So thing is that the LLM is trained on the vast amount of data set and the previously trained. And whenever we ask
Yes.
any relevant questions, I mean to say relevant means if we want to ask some questions regarding a particular business or
Hmm.
particular news, recent news, LLM won't be able to answer. This happens, no?
Yes.
Re- Local or recent news, they LLM is not able to answer. But whatever
Correct.
data they have been trained on, they will be able to answer. LLM will be able to answer. Is it right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But it gives answer, but not in a proper way,
Structure way. Yes.
not a structured way. 100% accuracy is not there.
Yes.
So to overcome this, A- AI people or those who are working on the AI field, they have faced this kind of problem. So they have introduced the concept called RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Retrieval means we will retrieve some data. Okay. Then we will augmentation means we will combine it with the prompt. Whatever the question will be asked, a kind of prompt. Okay, user's prompt, instruction that will be combined, and generation means will be responded to the users. Got it? In a simple word, it
Yes.
is clear. Retrieval means
Yes.
retrieving data from somewhere. Forget about where I am.
Hmm.
I will tell you all those things in the coming slides. Okay.
Yeah.
Retrieving, augmentation means combined it with the prompts, users prompt, and structuring that answer and regenerating means generating it to the response to the users. Clear?
Hmm. Yes.
Now, no need to worry. Everything is clear, crystal clear. If somebody asks you what is
Yes.
RAG, now you will be able to answer.
Correct.
Okay. It's a open book exam. Okay.
Hmm.
Whatever the previous knowledge we have, when we open the book, the answer will be totally refined to the point, exact. Accuracy will be 99 to 100%. Got it? That's why RAG
Yes.
is there. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, fine. Now this is the model, how RAG works. Look at this picture.
Your screen is not visible.
Oh, sorry. I have not shared. 1 minute. I have not shared with you the screen. Let me share the screen. Now it is visible. No?
Yes, yes.
Okay. See, whatever I told you before, now this is there. Okay. Retrieval-Augmented Generation, and this is the picture that defines the process, or this is the
Okay.
graph that how data is retrieved and according to the user's question, how it is responded back to the user. Okay, just understand, look at it, and any questions you have, just ask me. Now,
Yes.
just take your time, 1 minute of your time, take your time.
Yes.
Retrieval-Augmented Generation is an AI framework, okay, a kind of framework of AI that allows LLMs, means large language model, to search external library, okay, for the
Okay.
facts before generating responses instead of relying purely on previously trained data.
Train
What
parameters.
trained data I am telling you. Parameters is there, okay, no problem. Trained data, already LLM is trained on the data only, no? Previous data
Yes.
I am talking about.
Hmm.
And accordingly, that provides the dynamic answer, up to date, generic, proper, accurate answer to the users. Okay. This is the pre-trained massive data set.
Yes.
This is the retrieval one, knowledge base. Now I have attached this knowledge to the LLM. Okay. And now
Okay.
previously trained data, a behaving pattern is there, but now the users ask something else rather than the previous train data,
Train.
then they will
Hmm.
look for the knowledge base, search into the knowledge
Okay.
base, then they will retrieve the data from the knowledge base according to the user's prompt, then that will be combined and response will be given to the users. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, okay. So previously LLM model and now augmented RAG. Okay, what is the difference between two? Hallucination means whenever we ask no real-time data or particular subjects data, that hallucination means gives wrong answer. That is hallucination, not up to mark. Okay, they thinks that this is the right answer, but that is not. In the AI term, that is called hallucination. Okay, got it. But in the
Yes.
RAG, what happens? Whatever we ask, that RAG system retrieves data from the knowledge base and gives us. Okay, and that
Hmm.
is
Yeah.
totally accurate data. Okay,
Hmm.
so these are the differences. You look into it. Okay, knowledge cutoff is there. Here, hot swappable libraries updated instantly with the zero computational fine tuning concept, tuning cost. Okay, so libraries, whatever the data is trained on, okay, LLM is trained on whatever the database with. Now they have extra database, external database that is called RAG database, and they ask
Hmm.
or they retrieve data and they gives the relevant answer to the mark answer. Okay, up to the user's expectation. Okay, RAG strategic benefits. What is the benefits of the RAG using RAG? This gives a freshness to the answer. Okay. And that is, it is totally accurate and efficiency is very high. Okay.
Okay.
Here, look at this. Query live web databases or instant feed. I told you, no, they can give you the latest news as well, latest data as well, latest information as well, or particular custom information about any businesses. Okay. Any subject. And that is totally accurate. That will be accurate and efficiency, okay, will be totally high and to the custom
Yes.
standards on the pre-trained data. And pre-trained data becomes highly accurate. Okay. By using this RAG concept. Okay. Users get the
Okay.
accurate answer. Okay. That's why this is used. Okay.
Okay.
Now there comes embeddings. First time you are listening this term embeddings, or have you heard it before, embeddings?
So embedding basically means how to join our data with the LLM.
Yeah. Okay. Now in this term, this is a totally different thing. Okay. Just I tell you.
Okay.
So what is embedding is all about? Have you heard of
Translate.
no. Have you heard of numerical representation? Because AI
Yes.
models doesn't understand text, emotions, words.
Correct.
Okay, that understands only numerical numbers. Okay.
Yes.
So all the text sentences are represented in numbers. Okay. So
Correct.
here embedding is nothing but numerical representation of our text, whatever we will be asking, or whatever we will be asking AI to give answer back to us. Okay. All the text sentences are divided into or represented into a numerical form. That is called embedding is nothing but numerical representation of our text or
Text.
words.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
That's why it is called vector embeddings. What it?
Mm.
Now
Yes.
things is clear. Don't look at the proper definition, textbook definition. Try to understand in a
Mm.
simple way. Then it will become very easy for you to understand.
Yes.
Okay. One minute. Okay. So am
Mm.
I audible now?
Yes.
Okay. So how semantic vectors align? These are the things you can semantic. These things will be very hard for you now. So don't look at these. I am just telling you what semantic means. Closer. How close the words are aligned together means I am just telling king and queen. They are both a separate entity. One is
Yes.
male, one is female.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
So it is very close in this way. When we ask, somebody is asking who is that person and all, so they will search what is the uh, cosine similarity, how close this is, okay, to that questions, okay. It is kind of similarity search.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Yes, they calculate semantic similarity using vector existence. So cosine similarity is this one a formula?
Kind of
We-
that is used in that cosine similarity. How close the how close is that to the questions?
Okay.
Okay. So they,
Yes.
that they will create the distance cosine similarity search.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
How? Words with the similar meaning you can understand. Okay. How close that word is. What it?
Yes.
If there is a option of cat, apple, animal. So if somebody is asking what is that animal? So cat option will come, no? Apple option won't be coming, no?
Yes.
Got it?
Correct.
How
Yes.
close that word is to the question. Now you are getting similar
Yes.
with
I
the
got it.
meaning I am telling.
Hmm.
A simple question. King, queen is there. King and queen is there. Okay. Somebody is asking, who is
Yes.
that lady? So answer will be queen. Not the king will
Okay.
come, no? Because that will
Yes.
check that. So lady is there. So how lady is
Hmm.
related with queen? The queen is the lady. Lady is, no? So
Yes.
similar
Hmm.
words with the similar meanings are retrieved.
Hmm.
So here comes
Yes.
semantic search or semantic vectors in place. Okay.
Okay.
So a lot of things are there. That's why vector
Yes,
embedding
we
is
can
very,
take example pigeon, crow, and elephant.
yeah.
So pigeon and crow are like these ones.
If somebody is asking what is the word, how many words are there? So pigeon and crow will there, but elephant won't be coming in that answer sequence.
Yes.
Okay, got it. So that's
Yes.
why vector embedding is very much important. How that is done? 1.1, 0.1, 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that it is assigned the value to the text or words. Okay, embeddings.
Okay.
Numerically, it
Hmm.
is represented.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yes.
So third term is vector database. All those things is done. Our text or document is divided and numerically represented. So somewhere we need to store, no? We need to store.
Yes.
So that's why we
Correct.
need vector database. So these kind
Hmm.
of things is stored in vector database. There should be a database for this embeddings model, no? So where this
Hmm.
embedding model will be stored? In the vector database. There are the 5 to 7 or 10 or more than that vector database are
Hmm.
available. Pinecone database, Milvet, ChromaDB, in-memory store. Okay. MongoDB kind of things and all, or a Redis database, all those memory databases are available. Okay, to store that.
Yes.
So how it is looks like? See, whatever I told you, how it is done. Text image is transformed, image transform using image transform and into the text. Embeddings is created. Look at this
Hmm.
0.6, 0.4 embeddings and then store in the vector database.
Okay.
Look at this first diagram. Then you will understand whatever I told you before, no? So you will get to know how it is done. I think now you have understood what is that vector database. To store
Yes.
our data.
Data in numerical format and store in
Numerical.
vector database.
Yeah.
Yes.
Vector database is nothing that creates numerical representation of our data and data store into it. Okay. Simple words.
Okay. Hmm.
Whenever anyone asks questions, so they will answer according to that vector embedding
Yeah.
models only. So kind of
Hmm.
text they will receive and that will be converted into the numerical representation, if that matches, okay, semantically. Semantic search, I told you, no? How close, how far words are.
Yes.
Then
Mm.
that is matched, then that will be retrieved back and given as a response to the users. Simple, clear,
Yes.
okay. So look at this flow. A standard RAG, this is the RAG pipeline, how RAG pipeline works. Query is converted into embeddings. I told you, no? Matched again the indexed vectors. How numerically, how close they are into the database. Okay. Matched. Then that data is mixed with our prompt. Okay. Added with our prompt. And then LLM generates that output. Okay. Got it?
Okay.
Retrieve, augment, and generates.
Mhm.
Now tell me how it is done.
So first, whatever the data we give, so it retrieve the data, then it convert into vectors, means basically convert, it is embedded, then it give output. Super.
Okay. 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 So data is converted into embeddings. Okay. Now, first of all, that is
Yes.
converted into chunks, then embeddings, divided into
Yes.
different set of paragraph form or different set
Mhm.
of PDFs bundles. Okay, a large number
Mm.
of pages are there. Then that is divided into 4 pages, 2 pages, like that. It is scraped chunks into. Then that is converted into embeddings. Then that is stored into the database. And when people users ask question, that is combined with our prompt. Augmentation means combining it with the user's prompt. Then generated and given as a response to the users. Okay. Supercharged prompts. Okay. Rather than sending a
Mm.
raw query like what is our policy on remote work, RAG formats the query dynamically. Okay. That is augmented means combined it with the data. Okay. And refined the output in a exact way. Okay. How augmentation
Yes.
work? Now RAG gives us a accurate answer. No, that's why augmentation is very much required.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes.
Accurate LLM generation. I told you, no, when it is augmented, combine it with the database, external data. Okay. So answer becomes refined, accurate. Okay. That helps LLM to generate a proper 100% accurate answer according to the user's need or questions or queries, you can say. Okay. Or that
Okay.
could be, uh, that has multiple implications in use cases. I'll tell you afterwards. Okay. So this is not visible. Okay. This is not fine tuning is different thing. RAG is different thing. Okay. Fine tuning means again you have to retrain your data. Fine tuning. Okay. Here you don't need to retrain. Just you need to attach an external database. Okay. Then your system will be able to answer accurately. Fine tuning is very much cost effective. Okay. A lot of cost is there to retrain again the model, LLM models. But here, no need to retrain, just attach the RAG, okay, external data
Okay.
to the LLM
Mm.
models, and that will be able to answer the way you want. But in the fine tuning, what happens? Again, you have to retrain on the particular data set, okay, your model. So training data set is very much difficult, okay. That is very
Yes.
much cost effective. that incurs a lot of cost. Okay. So
Yes.
nowadays people are using RAG model instead of fine tuning. Okay.
Okay.
Core learning. So you have learned so far these kind of things. Okay. Semantic search, I told you.
Semantics.
Efficient libraries like vector database, all those things. Context. But in the particular context, according to the prompt, answer is generated. RAG is the architecture of choice for safe, auditable, and customizable business AI. Okay.
Okay.
So now I show you use case.
Okay.
So you might be wondering, so this is the theory part. So what is the real time use? So where it is used, you can have your that what is your business like? What was the name of that business?
Real estate.
No, no. What
Park
is
Street.
Park Street? So Park Street are different kind of services, particular services that is not known to the LLM. If I ask something
Yes.
about Park Street, so that won't be able to answer accurately. Okay, but
Correct.
you can create your chat model, no AI model for your Park Street. So here you can use your RAG system. So how
Okay.
you can create your RAG model by creating a PDF, a website link can be attached to it. Okay. So then
Okay.
that will be able to generate the proper response. If somebody is asking about the park estate, so LLM won't be
Okay.
hallucinating giving the wrong answer. Then that will be able to answer
Okay.
proper according to the guideline, according to the services, whatever they are offering to the users about the
So we can
park.
also link our company website
Yeah,
for
yeah,
use
yeah,
case.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I'm telling. No, these are the
Okay.
benefits of using RAG. Why RAG is used?
Okay.
To give the proper answer. Why I told you before, it is a kind of open book
Correct.
exam.
Open book.
Okay, not the memory
Yes.
one. For the 1 year
So
you,
like if I want to create a FAQ in chatbot,
yeah,
so
yeah,
we can upload our FAQ master book or master PDF in that. Correct?
yes, yes. I show you how it is done. Then
Yes.
it will be very much clear to you. Okay,
Yes.
so how it is done? We will click here. Now it is this canvas is okay. No, no need to
Mm.
uh, tell you again how to use this.
It's so.
Okay, so first of all, we will get one chain. Here, what kind of chain we will be using? Question answer. Okay. So for this, what we need? Chat model, vector store. Okay. These two things are very much necessary. That's why this has been marked red. Okay.
Mm.
Important. So what I will do, I will connect chat model. So already I am using this free model, but still it is not giving the proper credit nowadays. I don't know what is the Google is doing. No problem for that. I will just show you the process. I don't have any subscription. I am just using. You can use your, if you have, you can use your subscription model for different model. You can use OpenAI as well. Okay, paid model.
Okay. Mm.
You have
Yes.
OpenAI's paid model
I
chat.
don't have my personal, it's a company.
It's okay, no problem. Then don't use. Just try to understand the flow. Okay,
Yes, correct. Yeah.
no need to pay now. In the learning page, you should not pay any amount. Okay, this is my concern.
Yes.
Just
Yeah.
I will tell you how to use it. What is the flow?
Mm.
Just understand. Try to understand the process only. When you get the project or working model, if somebody is giving you to work on it, then you charge, then you use it. Okay. Otherwise, don't.
Yes.
Don't spend a single
Okay.
penny of yours. Okay.
Okay.
So here This credential I have already created. How to create it, no? You know?
Yes, we
Okay.
already covered this on
Yeah,
previous
that's all.
class.
And now I will select any model. Just let me, this one. Okay. Let's see whether my credit is,
7.
no. My credit is over or not. Let's check. I am using it, no? I have used it so many times. Let's see. But just follow the process. Just try to understand what is the RAG model all about. Okay, just let me rename it RAG. Okay. Now what we need, document loader. Okay. For documents, if I have 100 pages, 500 pages, 5,000 pages, so
Hmm.
LLM will not be able to create embeddings in a proper way, or okay,
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
becomes very hard and time consuming. That's why what we need text splicer. We will be dividing into chunks, smaller parts. I mean
Okay.
to say, got
Hmm.
it? So for that
Yes.
we have to add text splicer. It is here. For this, we will use recursive text splicer. You can use of your choice. I will use here because see, chunk size will be 1,000.
Okay.
Done. So this file should be stored somewhere, no, in the vector database. Okay.
Yes. Hmm.
So for this, we need a vector database to store our file. Just understand the process. That will becomes very
Yes.
simple. Whatever is being said in the market, people are making
Hmm.
this RAG is a bigger problem, bigger concept. But I will make this a simple one. Just understand. Try to understand my words. Okay. How simple it is.
Yes.
So I will use for this, like these are the vector database examples that is here. You can use it of your own choice, but I will use here of my choice a simple one in memory database. Okay.
Okay.
So document, got it?
Hmm.
Now document is here, but database is not understand what is the document because AI is not understanding text, voice, or images.
Yes.
In the same way, vector database is not understanding. So to make it understand what we need, embeddings. Okay. Why embedding is there? That will create our text or words or images into a numerical
Complex. Very
representation.
complex.
So
Yes.
numerical representation is understandable by AI models. Okay. To make AI understand it, so that vector embeddings is created. For this, I will use same Google embeddings is there. This is the free one. I am not using a, okay. So then here we have to attach the credentials and this is here and we have to select this retrieval document. Okay, up to here it is clear.
Yes. So here task type means
Sorry.
retrieval doc. So here we select in task type, it is retrieval document.
So we have to retrieve the document, no? Then only task will be
Okay.
done, no?
Yes. Hmm.
So we
Okay.
are storing the data or our document
Hmm.
into the file loader. So file loader should retrieve it, no?
Yes.
So because here it is there, so it will retrieve.
Hmm.
Okay, embeddings, then
Yes.
embeddings
Correct.
will be created, no?
Hmm.
Without
Yes.
retrieving, embeddings is not going to create.
Correct.
Okay, so one
Yes.
step is missing. What a step? So all those things is done. This is one part. This is one part. Okay, so these things a store should be connected this model. So no, then only this will be able to answer no.
Yes.
Name. So here we will connect it to our vector store retriever. Then vector store data will
Okay.
be retrieved, no, according to the questions
Hmm.
or answer of the users.
Hmm.
Okay. Now done. One more thing is missing. I have not uploaded any file yet. So I will click here. Already we have one more automation. Okay. Already I have this. Whatever I shared with you, no? Syllabus. Same thing I am uploading
Okay.
here.
Okay.
So this is stored. This is here. Look at
Hmm.
this.
Hmm.
AI automation mastery program. Before it was
Hmm.
showing blank. Okay. Now I will
Hmm.
save this. Okay.
Hmm.
Now I will ask course detail. See, it is giving answer.
Hmm. Yes.
I show you the document as well to confirm it
Hmm.
whether it is giving right or wrong answer. Just make you understand and to give you the kind of confidence how you can make it. Okay. AI mastery. So this is the document I shared with you.
Yes.
And now I will ask email automation. Let's see what this system gives us the answer. Yeah, see, email automation is covered in the AI. Day two. Day two.
Yes.
Now done. Understand
Yes.
how simple it is. Then what you need to do, just save it. Okay. Then you can embed it, whatever the website or anything your company is having, and you can attach it with your system or
System or
your
company website.
configuration or web pages to make it available for end users. I mean to say your clients whom you are providing the service to or other people or in-house people.
Okay.
So document could be anything, your personal or public, anything. Okay.
Suppose if I want to attach my company website link
Hmm.
or URL in replace of document, so how we will attach?
So for that we have another option. API loader you can use. This scraps websites content. Okay. AP5. A
So
web,
here we can connect both company URL and this one document.
yeah. But for that, you have to use different loader, document loader.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Fire crawl is there. Okay. So you can use it. You can
Okay.
try at in your home in your free time. So yeah, it's simple way. Or otherwise,
Hmm.
these are the AWS S3 directory search API for web search. Okay. So these SERP API, these things will be used. SERP API will be used for the web search. How to connect it? You have to create the credential. You have to put your website link as well. Okay. So like that you can use this one. One more option is there. This one is also used. Okay. So these things can be used. Okay. You can use. I will tell you afterwards in a different. So next class, I will be covering some agents, how to use agents. So these things is done. So one more class will be for the agents, simple agents and all. Then we will go for NA10. Okay.
Yes.
So like that you can use. Fine. Any questions if you have?
Yes.
So this is simple or hard if you feel so. So tell me, what is the feeling?
Nothing, nothing hard.
This is the first time you are hearing this concept, RAG.
Yes. I heard in advertisement, but didn't hear about in detail.